Gotta blur out this address. What's up, guys? Before we start today's video, I wanted to do an unboxing of a care package that I got from Clint, otherwise known as CaliWRX on YouTube. And I've been a huge fan of him, and I basically won his Instagram contest. And please don't mind the dirty ass room you can see behind me. Yeah, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing before we get started on the video. No idea what he sent. Let's see. Oh, sweet. This is his traditional colorway. You guys probably have recognized this car on YouTube if you are a Subi fan. This is the, I guess, was it matte or satin? I forget, but it was the gray wrap, and I think it was a Kawasaki green wheels, the work wheels. That's a cool sticker. Clint's social media. Oh, sweet. We got two jet tags. I was actually looking at getting some for my keychain, because right now I still have the 86 speed, and this is from the FRS BRZ 86 crew. So I'm gonna take this off and then put one of these on. It's gonna be awesome. Oh, and some sweet Rumble stickers. This in the what is that? The cherry blossom and green lettering, and then the traditional white. And that's it. Clint, thanks a lot, man. This is freaking awesome. I think I'm gonna throw this one on right now. Damn, what? That's sick. Freaking love it. And I put the other one on my school bag. This is freaking awesome. But now, on to the main part of the video. And we are outside. So today we're going to be doing a really simple mod to the very front of the WRX. Something that's very much needed. And I'll show you right now. We are installing a front lip. And this lip I actually got off my friend Anthony, the one with the white WRX. And it's scratched up, it's beat up, but he sold it to me for a very cheap price, and we're just gonna slap this thing on. Oh, it just showed up actually. Yep. This is gonna sit like that. You can imagine that's sort of what it's gonna look like. I'm actually gonna put a layer of primer on it and some gloss black spray paint just to make it look a little nicer, and then we're gonna put it on. I think this is gonna completely transform the front end on this car. Of course, the last one always has to be the most difficult.
Oh, of course, and it's the easiest letter to peel off too. It's a D.
Okay, finally. All stickers are off. Now let's prep this baby for paint. So right here I just have a Scotch-Brite pad, and I'm just gonna lightly scuff this area. Now onto the primer. Next up, the paint. Come on. The damn lid off.
Come on. Wait.
Don't get too close. There it is, the finished product. Ooh, that looks good.
Why you're missing a screw?
Okay, we were missing one screw, but I'll just grab that at work. Damn. Looks so good on the front end. Now that this is gloss black, I feel like I have to get the gloss black fog light bezels. Maybe in the future. Yeah, I just ordered some new car parts already. I have a major problem. But anyway, I know I said I was gonna start on the exterior mods of my car, but the next parts that I'm getting are performance based. Yeah, Rally Sport Direct was just having such a good sale on it at the moment, so I had to jump on it. But I'm excited for that part to come in. It should come in a couple days, and the video should be out within a week, so stay tuned for that. But I hope you enjoyed this quick little video for today, and as always, guys, thank you. Peace.